Welcome to Progragon. My name is Mithul Mandanka, and in this video we will discuss about a switch statement. In previous session we had discussed about a different kind of operators such as a unary operators, binary operator, assignment, arithmetic and comparison. So let's discuss about a Swift switch statement. The switch statement is use a substitute of a long if-else statement while matching complex pattern. It provides the multiple cases to perform a different actions according to the different condition. If we check the working of a Swift statement is like the statement goes from top to down. Take expression and compare each cases to the particular case values. If it's match the case, the statement inside the case is executed and entire switch statement finishes execution as soon as the first matching switch cases is completed. If there is no matches for the cases, it goes to the next case. Uh, let take one syntax for this problem. So switch statement, as we know, the switch statement is go from top to down. Context, take expressions and compare with each case values. If it match the one cases, is if this expression match any of the cases, the statement inside cases is executed and the cases is executed with the entire statements finished its execution as soon as the first matches switch case is completed. If there is a no matches for the cases, it will go from first case to another case, and if any cases are not matched, then default statement will be executed. The default keyword is code with the return if the no case is matches. So let's take one example and take a output for that program. So here I take one constants variable by defining a let keyword, let day of week is equal to 6. Okay, so I want to print the statement using a switch keyword. I write it down, the switch statement switch day of week is a 1, then print it is a Sunday today. On another cases, I do the same. For a case 2, I write a case 2 and write a printing statement print it is a Monday today. For the same way, I create a case 3. For another cases, it is a Tuesday today. Same way I write a case 4 over here. It is a Wednesday. It is a Wednesday today. Oh, I forgot column over here. Okay. Same way I write Thursday. Friday and last Saturday. So our all days are completed on cases execution. So last one Saturday. Okay, and we also print default if the value of a day of week is more than 7, then we have to also print a invalid day. Okay, So we run this code and try to compile this code and get a result from the okay. As we can see in the compile section, we found that the Friday, it is a Friday today, will be printed. Why? Because our day of week we pass it over 6. So it goes for the case 1, right? The 1 is not matched with the 6. Then after it goes for the 2, it will not match for the 6. Then up so 3, 4 and so on to 6. So 6, case 6 is same with our expression. So the printing statement will be displayed on the console area. So it is a Friday today. Let's take another example. If I pass a 12 here, then you can find that the we are not adding any cases related to 12, right? So the default invalid day will be printed on the console. We can also do for the string as well. Like if I pass a string over Mithul, right? I take one another example which containing a string, let str name is equal to Mithul, and I write it down a switch case over here with the expression str name. So if I write here Mihir, then print it like it is a Mihir, he is a Mihir, or we can do like hi Mihir. Then we take one another cases like Tanvi, hi Tanvi. Then after I will take one another cases for the same. I write it down over here Mithul. So here in printing statement I write it down hi Mithul, right? And I take one another example. Hi Janki. So hi Janki. Okay. So and we also put default cases like a print no name is found. Okay, perfect. So it's code. I think we write it down code. Now we will debug it. Okay. So here you found that your str name is a Mithul, then this expression will be matched with your cases. Here it will match, then it will print hi Mithul. If I change this to Janki, then hi Janki. If I change the name here Ankita and also here name Ankita, then you can check that if I write it down Ankita over here, then this printing statement will be executed. And if I write it down any another name which is not present on the case, then you can check that the result will be displayed based on your default expression. No name is found. So that's all about today's session. In next session we will discuss about another expressions. Thank you very much for